What is the ideal form of life? This? This? Or maybe this? Or maybe we should not have a binary of best and worst way to exist within our universe. Maybe it's a bigger question about how our society... This is a stupid question. It's this. Now, of course, some people are going to put themselves as the superior creature, and they are wrong. Just take a moment to feel your own face. Go on. Take your hands and feel the bones beneath your flesh, how weird and stiff they are, how your muscles and sinews contort to it, forming the fleshy prison you hopefully call home. Now realize something. You are nothing in comparison to the perfection of the horseshoe crab. They've been around for 450 million years, predating the dinosaurs, predating any so-called great humans. They have found the perfect form, for they have barely evolved for those millions of years, literally, so much so that they are known as a living fossil. Evolution drives to improve, but why change what is already perfect? Tell me, where is your exoskeleton? Oh, that's right, you have the far less cool endo version. That's a shame, really. Their blood is invaluable to science, being a beautiful blue with its protein limulus ambibosite lysate that detects endotoxins, bacterial substances that can cause fevers and be fatal to humans. It was an invaluable resource in combating COVID-19, and I'm guessing your blood can't do that, can it? I also want to mention how horseshoe crabs are better than the sorry little things known as triops, which have been around on Earth for a similar time, but they don't live up to the 20 years like a horseshoe crab does. So if you are a triop fan, please know that your opinion is bad and stupid. Horseshoe crabs are just better. Hey, I just wanted to let you know that when you subscribe, it allows me to work towards funding these projects that I can later make videos on. Thank you for your support.